Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the keyboard clicking sound on your iPad mini 7th generation. All you need to do is open the settings, and then in the settings search and go to sounds, and then over here you have keyboard clicks. You want to tap on this switcher in order to toggle this option. So of course if you want to hear those clicks, you want to make sure that this option is enabled, otherwise disable it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!